Welcome to YouTube channel Lingareddy Chemistry JEE NEET. GOC NEET 2015 questions we are going to discuss in this video. Question number 7. This is lecture 2. In the lecture 1 already we discussed question number 1 to 6. Which of the following statement is not correct for the nucleophile? Ammonia is a nucleophile. Yes. NH3 has lone pair. Nucleophile means first of all electron excess. Electrophile means electron deficient. So generally positive charge होता है. These are positive charge or neutral. These are also negative charge and neutral. ये भी न्यूट्रल हो सकता है. सो अमोनिया इज न्यूक्लियोफाइल. यस, लोन पेयर इज देयर, दैट्स व्हाई न्यूक्लियोफाइल. विच इज नॉट करेक्ट पूछ रहे. ठीक है. न्यूक्लियोफाइल अटैक्स लो इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी. दैट्स ट्रू. न्यूक्लियोफाइल्स आर नॉट इलेक्ट्रॉन सीकिंग. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर नॉट सीकिंग. यस. न्यूक्लियोफाइल इज लिविस एसिड. लिविस एसिड किसको बोलते हैं? AlCl3 is the Lewis acid which can attract the lone pair. These are called Lewis acid. So this nucleophile has electron excess. These are not Lewis acid. These are called Lewis base. So this is the wrong statement. Answer D. Next, question number 8. Which of the following is not the product of dehydration? See, dehydration में here protonation takes place first. H plus, so H2O निकलेगा. Then here forming carbocation. That carbocation is tertiary carbocation. See here I am writing this. One cyclohexane is there. Next carbon. Here carbocation. This is the given, right? So this carbocation here CH3 is there. Here also two hydrogens are there. Here also one hydrogen is there. So डबल बॉन्ड इधर भी बना सकते, इधर A हाइड्रोजन, B हाइड्रोजन एंड C हाइड्रोजन. 3 types of alkenes are forming. So here it is forming. Yes, it is possible. This one is possible. This one also possible. This one also possible. But here double bond it's not possible. So which is not the product? So A is the answer. So your answer is A. Next, question number 9. Treatment of cyclohexanone with methyl lithium. This is the cyclopentanone. Cyclopentanone is there. Methyl lithium है. Methyl minus lithium plus. This is a nucleophilic reaction takes place like this. So oxygen minus, here this is the methyl group, remaining cyclopentane as it is. So cyclopentanonyl radical तो नहीं, biradical. anion is forming. This anion negative charge is there, so anion is forming. So your answer is C. The total number of pi bond electron in the following structures. How many pi bonds are there? 1 pi bond, second pi bond, third pi bond, 4 pi bonds. Total 4 pi bonds are there. Asking that electrons, so 8 electrons. Each bond has 2 electrons. Okay, your answer is D. Very simple questions. Yes. Question number 11. Which of the following species contains equal number of sigma and pi bonds? See here, cyanide, C triple bond like this. 1, 2, 3. 3 sigma and 4 pi bonds. So it is wrong. HCO3, HC double bond O double bond. Here OH. Then it is a minus. 1, 2, 3 sigma bond, 1 pi bond. So it is also wrong. CH3, CH2, C triple bond N and C triple bond N. Only 2 plus 2, 4 pi bonds, and 1, 2, 3, 4 sigma bond plus 2 hydrogen. Total 6 sigma bonds. So this is also wrong. Xenon XeO4. How many pi bonds are there? Those many sigma bond. 4 sigma, 4 pi. So your answer is D. Okay. Next. Question number 12. Which of the given compounds can exhibit tautomerism? Tautomerism के लिए क्या चाहिए? Alpha hydrogen should be present from the carbonyl position. C double bond O is there. This carbon is alpha carbon. Here hydrogen is there. Then hyperconjugation is possible. So tautomerism is exhibit. In the first video also same question is there. Tautomerism related. So here alpha hydrogen is there. So exhibit. Here also alpha hydrogen is there. So exhibit here. This alpha hydrogen is not involved. But by changing this pi bond here minus this, you are getting positive charge. So this pi bond is shifted here. Then is a positive charge. Then here this hydrogen is involved. So finally exhibiting tautomerism. So all three are exhibiting. 1, 2, 3. This 1, 2, 3 are exhibiting. So answer is B. Next question number 13. Which of the following is the most correct electron displacement for nucleophilic reaction takes place? See here, when chlorine is going away, obviously positive charge will be there here. Then the pi bond is shifting here. Obviously it's a true. Here only pi bond is shifting. Already this carbon has 4 bonds. 2 hydrogens are here. Okay. So it is showing only this pi bond shifting. Then this carbon getting 5 bonds. The chlorine is not leaving. So this type of representation is not correct. Here chlorine is leaving. So obviously this carbon will get positive. But here pi bond is there loosely packed. So it should come here. It is not showing, that's why it is also not correct. Then this chlorine is going here, positive charge is there, this electron is going other side, so it is wrong. So correct representation only A. Next, consider the following compounds. हाइपरकॉन्जुगेशन occurs. हाइपरकॉन्जुगेशन के लिए क्या चाहिए? वो भी अल्फा हाइड्रोजन चाहिए. ठीक है. विथ रेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ दिस फ्री रेडिकल, अल्फा हाइड्रोजन इज नॉट देयर, अल्फा हाइड्रोजन नॉट देयर, here not there, here alpha hydrogen, yes, here is there alpha hydrogen. So hyperconjugation is possible. So only three. Your answer is A. You can see here benzene में एक ही हाइड्रोजन रहता है, वो हाइड्रोजन नहीं है इधर, bond is there, so there is no alpha hydrogen here, right? Only 3 is the answer. So option A. Next, the enolic form of ethyl acetoacetate as shown below has. ठीक है, इसमें क्या देना है? Sigma and pi bonds, you have to count it. Sigma and pi bonds. See here, how many hydrogens are there? Those many sigma bonds are present. CH 3 plus 3, 4, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. So CH 10 sigma bonds are there, including OH, right? Then CO 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sigma bonds, and here in between OC and here CC, 2 more bonds are there. 2 more bonds. Here OH bond is there. 1 more bond. Total 15 plus 18 sigma bonds are there. 18 sigma bonds. Then you can count pi bonds. 1 plus 1, only 2. See, if you count 2 pi bond means only 2 options are there. Obviously 18 sigma bonds. So C is the option. Okay. Based on the pi bond also you can decide the answer. क्योंकि सिग्मा बॉन्ड्स तो 9 से ज़्यादा है, इजीली यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई। इवन हाइड्रोजन्स आर 10 आर देयर, सो ऑब्वियसली 10 से ज़्यादा ही होगा सिग्मा बॉन्ड्स, राइट? सी द ऑप्शन। नेक्स्ट, in which of the following compounds the CCl bond ionization shall give most stable carbonium ion? ठीक है, it is the Cl is releasing here, it is forming carbocation. This is called benzyl carbocation. Benzyl carbocation. So this pi bond is shifting here. Mesomeric effect is there. Mesomeric. So more stable होता है generally. Here chlorine is releasing, but here NO2 group is there, minus inductive. See, carbocation stability directly proportional to plus inductive and plus mesomeric होता है. Here minus inductive मतलब तो गलत है, not stable. Here 2 methyls are there, here 3 methyls are there. So obviously ये है तो we cannot give this preference. अभी now the confusion between A and D. See here in the D total alpha hydrogens are 9 alpha hydrogens are there. 9 alpha hydrogens. So 9 hyperconjugations are possible. 9 hyperconjugations. Each hyperconjugation is similar to mesomeric effect only. Okay, in the hyperconjugation it is limited to only alpha carbons, alpha hydrogens. In the mesomeric effect it will continue until the conjugation is there. But here number of structure only 3 resonance structures are there, but here 9 hyperconjugations are there, so more stable. What is the reason here? 3 resonance structure से ज़्यादा priority 9 hyperconjugations. 9 hyperconjugations are there, that's why it is more stable. Okay, thank you. 2015 questions completed from NEET. Bye.